Well, what is going on, guys, and welcome to another devlog video. So today it is all gonna be about these little guys over here, so the new building drone. So after that big update on the building side, I wanted to do something a bit funny, a bit lighter, let's say, and so that was the perfect thing. But I also work again on the building side and did a bunch of refactor and so on. So that's really the idea. So this droid, actually, this is something I wanted to do for quite a while, and actually this is made to address a few design flaw we had, I think, with the way we do such various things in the game. And so let me show you what it is all about. So just the first thing, to spawn it, you just press F5, which is just temporary, because that building drone actually will be found only in shipyard, and you guys will use shipyard to build your ship, and it will be important for the gameplay. So typically when your ship is destroyed, you will respawn at a shipyard and things like that. So but for now, just press F5, and then you can just check him out, press the activate key, and you will get a bunch of options. So as you can see, the first thing you can see, there is a small preview of the ship you are building in, but then there is, more importantly, some stats. So it's a lot more convenient than the current way, which was to use the identity unit and wire screen and things like that, which was really not convenient. So because that droid is constantly following you, you can check out the stat pretty much anywhere you go. So that will be, I think, much convenient when you build your ship with all the system and so on. The second thing you see is the export and load blueprint. So now you can just do it from here, so you no longer need actually the starter block, blueprint block, and identity unit. So that's really yeah, we're gonna be able to really simplify the codex again a little bit with that. And then also you get a few more features, which I think is quite interesting. Yeah, so you get the default pane. So that was something requested, yeah, when that was something we had quite a while ago, and so now that we have that droid, we can do things like that. So yeah, you just toggle it and select your color. So that's really cool. And last but not least, we get a new symmetry mode. So the old way of doing with the block and so on was a bit weird and not really useful, I think. But with that new droid, I think is gonna be more fun and more usable, hopefully. So yeah, you just toggle it from that droid, and then a new drone will appear that will try to mirror your position, and then it will build, yeah, it will replicate what you are doing. So that's really nice. And you can see there is a few bugs to fix. And if you want to move your plane around, so you can just let me. You can hold actually the mirror plane like that, and press Q to change the axis. And yeah, and so you can really change the axis like that. And if you want to hide it to build, and because it gets in the way, you can just simply hide it from here. So that's really the idea for that nice little drone. I think it had quite a nice touch, and yeah, I think it's quite funny. So we'll see how it goes. So for sure, I'm gonna have some issue when you're gonna build inside. So I will need to work a bit on the collision and so on, and maybe cheat a bit, and have some potentially teleportation and so on when it gets stuck. But yeah, so we are gonna test it that first, and I will see what I need to do to improve it. And also, yeah, it's not yet let's say programmable and buildable, let's say, but at one point this is definitely something I will want to try. But for now, I think I just need more things to do in the game, more gameplay and so on, because right now it won't be that much interesting, I think, to have a programmable droid, let's say. So that's the idea, guys. Thanks a lot for following the game and see you in the next one.